Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into our game-changing solution for SaaS developers looking to streamline their payment processes. If you're a developer grappling with payment integrations, you're in for a treat. We'll talk about how our merchant of record payment service can simplify your life. Let's start with some basics. Fungies is revolutionizing the way SaaS developers handle billing and subscriptions. Our platform is designed to take the heavy lifting off your shoulders, allowing you to focus on what you do best, building amazing software. With Fungies, you get a robust merchant of record service that ensures compliance, security, and efficiency in your payment processes. So why choose Fungies? First off, let's talk about the financial aspect. We offer a fixed fee structure of just 5% plus 50 cents per transaction. This is a significant advantage compared to competitors like Lemon Squeezy, which can charge much higher fees. For a SaaS business, every penny counts, and Fungies ensures that you keep more of your hard-earned revenue. Integrating into your existing software? Now, one of the biggest pain points of SaaS developers is the integration process. Many platforms like Paddle are known for their complexity, making it challenging to get started. They often require extensive coding and can lead to frustration. In contrast, we provide an elegant and straightforward API that makes integration a breeze. Fungies API is designed with developers in mind. You can easily connect your software to their payment system without the headaches typically associated with payment integrations. This means you can get up and running quickly, allowing you to focus on enhancing your product rather than wrestling with code. Fungies also come with an amazing front-end store builder. This tool empowers you to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. With customizable templates and easy-to-use design tools, you can build a storefront that reflects your brand and engages your audience. The front-end store builder is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality too. It allows you to manage subscriptions, handling invoicing, and track customer interactions all in one place. This level of integration is crucial for SaaS businesses that rely on recurring revenue models. You can build an overlay checkout or use Fungies' hosted checkout solution. Our checkout process is designed to minimize friction, which is essential for reducing cart abandonment. A smooth checkout experience can significantly impact your conversion rates, and Fungies ensures that your customers can complete their purchase with ease. Unlike other platforms that may complicate the checkout process, we focus on simplicity and efficiency. This means happier customers and more completed transactions for your business. Are you worrying about paying taxes internationally? We act as the merchant of record, which means we handle all the compliance requirements for you. This includes tax management, fraud prevention, and payment processing security. You can rest easy knowing that your customers' data is protected and that you're compliant with regulations. So if you're a SaaS developer looking for a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective payment solution, Fungies is the way to go. With our fixed 5% plus 50-cent fee, easy integration, robust front-end store builder, and streamlined checkout processes, Fungies offers everything you need to succeed in the competitive SaaS landscape. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, please give us a like and also subscribe for more insights into SaaS development and payment solutions. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about integrating Fungies into your software. Until next time, happy coding.